do me a favor and hit the subscribe button. Also hit the notification bell so you guys don't miss out on any of my uploads. Okay guys, so today's an exciting video. I went to Kate Spade. I was on break at lunch and basically was browsing around the mall, and I basically walked into the Kate Spade store and I fell in love with everything that I saw. I wanted to show you guys what I picked up from the Kate Spade store. Also talk about her sale that she has going on, because she has some really great items right now that are marked down, and this particular sale is good right now until July 7th. So make sure you guys get into Kate Spade and see what goodies you guys can grab. Guys, I'm gonna show you this bag. I'm gonna unbox it. We are not gonna get into anything else other than this bag. I am unboxing the Margaux bag, and you guys, it comes in this beautiful bag, and the girl who worked at Kate Spade, she boxed it for me. She didn't put any tissue paper in my bag, which I was kind of salty about, but hey, it's okay. I was gonna probably end up throwing it away anyway. So it looks like this, and it comes in this beautiful like soft pink and like mustard yellow box. Oh my god, like I am all in the theme. We're gonna go ahead and we're gonna unbox this bag. Let's go ahead and open her up. Okay, so the inside of the box looks like this. Okay, just comes with a beautiful pink dust bag. Her dust bags are different. I don't remember them being like this. The two Kate Spade handbags that are in dust bags, it's like the classic brown with the gold writing on it. So it just comes in a pink, gorgeous dust bag like this. Super gorgeous. The drawstrings on here are green, and they're like a very soft felt type material. So I'm actually just gonna, now this is the medium satchel. Okay you guys, alright, so I did treat myself to this bag. You guys know I work part-time at the mall with Victoria's Secret, L Brand's company. So I was looking for a new bag, but I was always eyeing this particular bag, which is the Margaux. So this is the Margaux bag here, and yes guys, my nails totally match. This was totally premeditated, I'm not gonna lie. This is the bag here. This is Margaux. It's a gorgeous canary yellow, very Tweety bird. The hardware is gold. There is 3 compartments in the bag. Okay, so you also have the option to wear it crossbody, but I actually prefer to wear it like a satchel and or on the neck of my arm like so. And it's also going to pair well with spring, summer, and also the fall. I was in between the colors. There is no back pocket again on this Kate Spade. This one does, however, have feet. Comes with this key tag or this accessory. It has a Kate Spade logo emblem on it in the shape of a heart, which is an upside down spade, which I think is really, really cute. And it has a gorgeous round structured silhouette. And I love how the sides are pinched in the inside. There isn't a fastener to keep them pinched. This is just how the bag is structured. Honestly, I think this is the closest I'd ever in my entire life get to an Hermes bag. This is an amazing bag. She's so beautiful. I don't have anything like her in my collection, and I'm very, very proud of myself. And I was so excited. I had to even get my nails done in a color like this. Ha ha! I'm gonna be rocking this bag. This bag fully retails for $298. I got this bag on sale for $209 with an additional 40% off. So out the door, I paid $125 with tax, around $135. So an estimate $140 for the bag. Not bad at all. Okay guys, so because I love the bag so much, and when I went in to pick up my bag, I actually had it RSVP'd, so I had it kind of like put aside for me. I had it on hold. I didn't want to risk not being able to get the bag. So when I went in, I also noticed that she had other handbags and other accessories and jewelry and other like crossbody bags, and she also had a series of wallets that were also marked down. I cannot have a bag without the matching wallet. Like, that is just my thing. If I'm gonna wear this bag, I also want to bring my important essential card, identification, you know, everything that I need. I want it to be in the matching wallet. I just think that's tasteful. I also picked up a fabulous little extra something. The box is blue with a green cap, and I love how all her colors and everything are like completely different. So when you open the box, the wallet sits inside like this. Again, like I said, she didn't give me any tissue paper, so it's not very exciting. I can't like unwrap anything. Now, this isn't the particular wallet that I wanted. I actually wanted one with like a zip but they were all sold out when I got there, and this was actually the last one that I saw laying out on display, like on the table, so I went ahead and I grabbed it. This is the Margaux Keyring wallet, okay, and it just looks like this, okay, and you just open it up. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4 card slots, and then you also have a pocket on the side here as well. And then what I thought was really cute, because at first I didn't know if I really loved this wallet, but I love the color and I love that it is Margaux wallet, so I'm definitely gonna keep her. You have a zip. You have a zipper, so you can put some change in here or an important receipt or something that you really need to keep tight. You know, this wallet, I have my receipt right here. This wallet was $69. I paid 40% off of that, was $27.60 is what I saved. I paid $41.40 for the wallet. Not bad. Again, I generally can get a nice wallet from Kate Spade for under $50. And I know now that's kind of like a good price point, because these wallets retail for hundreds of dollars as soon as they hit the market. So, and this was from a Kate Spade store, so a specialty store. I'm just so excited, and I have this in Margaux, and it also has a back pocket as well. Yes? Oh, okay. Yes, guys, that is my Kate Spade unboxing. Yeah, guys, that's gonna have to wrap it up for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give me a thumbs up. And yeah, guys, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.